Hello and welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can have a rainy weather in your GTA San Andreas game. So to have a rainy weather in your GTA San Andreas game, all you need to do is activate a cheat code. As you can see right now, there is no rain, but after I activated this cheat code there will be rain. So to activate this cheat code, it will be now displayed on the screen, and all you need to do is type it with me. So you need to type AUIFRVQS, and after that it says that the cheat code is activated, and as you guys can see, it's now raining. So that's how you guys can make rain in your GTA San Andreas game. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, if there is any video that you guys want us to do, then please let us know down in the comment section and we will do so for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.